our day 4 here in Osaka. It's already 12 noon. Papunta na kami sa lunch. We are going to eat at
Tendon Makino.
Magtetempura muna kami today. Late na kami lumabas kasi naman umuwi kami ni Pia kaninang madaling araw ng 3:30 AM. Galing kami kay Donkey kagabi. As you can see in the previous day. So, late na kami lumabas. Anyway, weather today is a bit warmer than yesterday. It's 14 degrees now. Pero naka-thermal pa rin ako. Pero sweater lang and polo. Kaya naman so far. So, we're walking along Namba Walk again. Going to big camera area. Kasi nandun yung restaurant. So, there. Good morning! Hi, Yago. Good morning.
Good morning, Yago.
So, we're here. Tempura Makino. May pila. Ayan. Tapos, katabi niya si Gyukatsu Motomura. Ayan lang si Gyukatsu Motomura sa tabi. Ito lang pala si Big Camera. Nandito siya. Magkatabi sila Gyukatsu and ito si Tempura Makino. Mali. Si Tendon Makino. Tapos si Kometa Coffee nasa taas. Ito yung menu niya. Tempura sets. Let's see how long the wait time is. It's currently 12:30. Sana mabilis lang. Surprising ha? And you see behind us. This is in the big camera area. Madumi. Tapos nakalagay no littering sa sign. Parang ngayon lang ako nakakita ng umaga na maraming basura dito sa Japan. Oo, here in Japan. Just an update, nandito pa rin kami. We've been waiting for 1 hour and a half actually. Ang tagal din pala ng pila dito. So ito yung menu nila. Ayan. Yung set with plenty of shrimps. It's 2,500 yen. With tax, it's 2,750. Pero dito lang ako, dun sa rice bowl, na 2,310 yen with tax. Tapos pwede na lang ipapalit yung soup naman kung anong gusto mo. May normal soup, pwedeng clam soup, pwedeng soba. So ganyan yung menu. Pero ang tagal 1 hour and a half na hindi kami masyadong gumagalaw. Update lang. It's already 2:44. 2:45. Andito pa rin kami. Hindi pa kami nakakakain. Ngayon pa lang kami tatawagin. Oh my God. Ito na. Papasok na kami. Ay, hindi. Maliit lang pala siya. Sorry naman. Pila pa rin pala dito. Pero at least, success na to. Nasa loob na kami. Imagine 2 hours. 12:30, 1:30, 2:30. 2 hours, 15 minutes kami nag-antay. Palo Ichiran. Kasi 110 minutes Ichiran. So, less than 2 hours. Natalo si Ichiran. So, dapat talo niya sa lasa si Ichiran.
Hindi naman sa lasa.
Pipigyan ko kayo ng review kung sulit siyang pilahan ng 2 hours. So, nakaupo na kami. Finally, we're here. Time check, it's almost 3 p.m. So, again, puli na kami dito 12:30. 3 p.m. na. Ngayon pala kami kakain. Pakita ko lang, meron siyang ganito. See? At the end of the meal, we will serve a warm Thai dashi broth. Add spices with a scent of yuzu to your liking. And please enjoy with rice. Ano kaya? Pag natin na yung rice, wala ka lang. Tingnan natin mamaya. Perfect pala. Iba-iba kami ng soup. So, lahat ng available soup nila, in-order namin. This is the basic soup that comes with the meal. This is additional 200 yen. Isang option is clam soup.
So glorious.
And this is the soba, which is also additional 200 yen. So, ayan yung tatlong soup na available, no? Na options. Hindi ko alam kasi kung gutom na ako kasi hindi ako nag-breakfast. Masarap. So, masarap din yung soba. Masarap din yung sabaw ng clam soup.
And here am I watching the first timers.
How's your basic soup?
Oh, I love this.
Okay. What's the broth?
It's sea bream. It's it's clear,
Yeah.
but it's very tasty. No.
Ang sarap nito, may sakit ka.
It's not halagang soup sa layering.
How's your soba?
It's good. You need to try it. It's really good. Relax. Parang nalalagay.
So this is the with plenty of shrimps, and then this is the tamago tempura. Hindi ko alam kung nakita niyo, pero ang galing. May bowl din siya dun sa bowl.
Parang siyang may sandal.
May sandalan yung tempura. Oo, ito. Tingnan natin kung worth it siya ng 3 hours waiting time. Ayan. Masarap naman siya. Pero wag naman siya ng 3 hours. Pero babalikan ko siya. Ganun. Masarap, masarap. Yes. Hindi namin alam kung ito yung purpose ng extra bowl. Pero kasi marami siyang laman. So hindi mo makuha yung rice. Natin yung rice. Spicy.
Pero masarap. Pero masakit.
Kahit yung okra na sa itadakimasu. Oishi. Yung advice, if you want to eat here, come here ng 11 o'clock, yung first seating. Para hindi kayo mag-antay ng matagal. Kasi maliit lang pala siya, yung restaurant. Kaya medyo matagal kami nag-antay. Ito na pala yung Taidashi. Ito yun. And then this is the wasabi with yuzu. So we have to put it on our rice. Just a little bit. And then we put the soup. This is the broth. Konti lang. As much as you want.
Because it didn't make a difference.
Kulang.
Okay lang. Pwede mo na itry lang.
Kasi baka hindi ko magustuhan. Konti lang muna yung nilagay. Let's try.
I don't know kung malalasahan mo siya na gano'n ako.
Sige. Yung wasabi, I like.
Masarap yung wasabi.
Yeah.
This is like pure wasabi. I really don't know.
Konti lang yung nilagay ko. So, kailangan na natin siyang kutsarahin kasi may sabaw na siya. Masarap. Masarap yung wasabi with the rice and the soup. Yes. It works. Kami na lang yung natitira. Kailangan kong bilisan kumain kasi magsasala sila ng 3:30. I have 5 minutes. We're done eating. Talagang sinabihan nila kami magsasara sila ng 3:30. So, yung nakain ko, yung tempura bowl with plenty of shrimps plus clam soup is 2,530. Ito yung basic na plenty of shrimps din is 2,310 with tax. Kung hindi kayo magpapa-upgrade ng soup. Okay, so now, papunta kami sa train station. We will go first to Umeda. Meron kasi siyang hahanapin doon sa loft. And we'll see, baka doon na rin kami mag-ikot-ikot sandali. Ayan, this is Umeda. Yeah. We will turn, we will cross. Yeah, we can. Nandito yung mga shopping areas on this side na. Oh, there's a Ferris wheel. Over there. Here, I don't know what this place is, pero marami na siyang shops, tapos somewhere nandito na yung loft na hinahanap namin. It's like a commercial center. Ayan na siya, si loft. Nakita namin. This one. So, ito yung directory ni Loft. It's like a department store. Hello! Tapos na kami sa Loft. Nandito pa rin kami sa Umeda. Paglabas namin, madilim na. Pero time check, it's only 5:30 p.m. Although medyo mas marami na ring tao ngayon na naglalakad dito sa Umeda. So dahil shopping day lang naman kami ngayon, yung mga pahabol na bilhin, babalik na kami sa Shinsaibashi. Doon na lang kami ulit mag-iikot kasi dito sa Umeda layo-layo sila. By the way, sa loft pala nakaseparate yung tax refund nila. Medyo matagal Doon kami natagalan sa tax refund. Ilang item lang naman yung binili namin. You have to go to a different counter to claim the tax refund. We're already here in Shinsaibashi. Parang less people naman yun. Kasi nung Saturday, kasi weekend yun Saturday. Hindi, nung first day. Oo. Mas maraming tao nun. So medyo stressful. Ngayon medyo may lalakaran ka naman. Noon kasi parang dikit-dikit kayo Susunod ka na lang sa Agos. So, we'll just do our last minute shopping here tonight because it's our last night tonight. Tomorrow we'll be flying back to Manila in the evening. Mas maluwang ang lakaran ngayon. Tapos na kami mag-shopping kay Shinsaibashi. So, nandito na naman kami sa bridge. Ang dami na namang tao. Nasa-stress na naman yung aking kaibigan. Ako din, parang namumula na naman yung mata ko sa stress. Oo, namumula na yung mata ko sa pagod. Anyway, we're going to have dinner at Daiki Suisan. Mag-conveyor belt sushi kami tonight. So, papunta kami doon. Dito siya. On this side. Di ko na pinakita sa inyo yung mga shopping namin. Kasi sa Uniqlo, ang pinagbibili lang naman namin, medyas. Kasi naka 390 yen siya. Yung socks. So, parang ang mura niya. Pinakyaw nila yung lahat yata ng design ng medyas. Nag-pit stop muna kami dito sa drugstore kasi naghahanap kami ng pampasalubong. Pero bumili kami nito para gamitin namin mamaya kasi sakit na mga paa namin. Pero hindi namin alam niyo ba itong product na to? Please let us know if this is nice. And I'll also share with you if it's nice, if ever. This is only how much? 200. This is 189. Since hindi kami magta-tax free, 207 yen for one pair. Subukan namin mamaya. Over here. Daiki Suisan. Dito kami kakain. Wow. Kawawa naman yung tuna.
No more.
There's a line ngayon. Last time kami nandito walang pila. Dire-diretso kami sa loob. Ngayon medyo may pila. Pero hindi naman mahaba. So hopefully mabilis lang para makaupo na kami. Ang mga titas, masakit na ang paa. Kaya we're here. Ayan, revolving sushi siya ulit. Daiki Suisan. Kaya muna kami. Pagod na kami. Ito na yung mga sushi namin. We're done eating. Ang hina ng mga kasama ko. Pag kumakain kami sa conveyor belt tower. Kami ngayon, ako 4 lang. 6 ako, may 3. 4. 6. 6. Yung bill ko is 1,925 yen for 3 plates and 1 fried octopus. 2,627. 627. Pero kasi nag-uni ka.
Hindi ako nagbayad ng uni.
Ay, okay. So, kasi blue film yung namin.
Kasi I ate naman one of your versions.
Okay, we're done eating na sa Daiki Suisan. Ayan siya ulit. Grabe, this is our last night. Sumusuko na yung mga legs namin. Ikaw din ba?
Okay naman. I'm okay.
Sumusuko na yung mga pa-at legs namin. Nagbilihan na nga kami ng mga heel patch. Hindi ko rin alam kung dahil puyat kami ni Pia kagabi.
That's what.
Kaya parang pagod na pagod yung pakiramdam namin. And then we're also full pa from lunch.
But I think you're gonna have some space for ice cream.
Yes. It's our last night, so I have to eat the Cremia ice cream. Ayan, nandito na naman kami dahil last night namin, kahit malamig, magkakremiya muna kami ni Mar. Here! Uday, Daddy, Navi!
Generous ang dami.
Yeah, we have kremiya! Here! Actually, meron doon malapit sa hotel namin, pero baka hindi na namin abutan kasi magdodoki pa kami. Mas mura doon.
No, I feel...
650, but that's shorter.
Yeah.
Yung nakita natin lumalabas na ice cream, no? It's shorter. This is tall, in fairness. But this is 800 yen. Nung nandito kami last year, 700 yen. So ngayon, 800 yen na siya. Tumaas na. Kakain muna ako.
Okay. Iyas is eating her Leaning Tower of Crimea. Cheers! Wala ako, sorry.
It's really cold. Kahit na malamig.
Crimea
Pero
is
kasi uuwi na kami bukas.
Crimea is life.
Chocolate. Hey, we're done with our Crimea. How was it? Did you like
10
it?
over 10. Para po siyang Nestle cream in the can. Tapos yun yung pok, nilagay mo sa cone
Sorry,
na matigas.
tinignan ko baka may naiwanan ako sa upuan. Yeah.
Very good.
It's really good. Kaya lang nagtaas na yung presyo niya. Anyway, yung isa namin kasama, si Pia, went ahead to Donkey already kasi malamig actually. Malamig ngayon.
Yes, malamig.
Tapos nag-ice cream pa kami.
Pero masarap yung ice cream.
Yeah.
Worth the cool.
Hindi niya kayang mag-antay with us na hindi siya kumakain ng ice cream kasi wala siyang ginagawa. So,
Very
nauna na siya.
Hi, Pia.
Oo, excited siya mag-donkey. So, susunod na kami sa kanya sa donkey dun sa other side kasi yung dito sa Ferris wheel, sabi niya punong-puno daw ng tao. Ang daming tao. So, lipat kami dun sa kabila. Time check, it's 10:30. Tingnan natin kung gaano kadami ang tao sa loob. Nandito kami sa third floor, sa area ng mga food. Hindi naman not so bad. Yeah, manageable naman. Hindi naman sobrang sikip. So mag-iikot lang kami last minute pasalubong because we're going home tomorrow. Nandito kami sa cheese area. Nagpapabudol lang ako dito sa dalawa kong makukulit na kaibigan. Yeah. So ito, masarap daw to. Smoked cheese dun sa mga mahilig magpapak ng keso. It's 349 yen. So we'll get one, we'll try. This one also, this is cheese cod. Sabi rin ni Pia, masarap siya. This is 419 yen. So tikman din natin tong keso na to. Bumili din ako nung soy egg. Pero yung plain lang. This is 499, 5 itlog. Tapos ito din quail egg, nakakaaliw. Ayan. Tapos individually wrapped siya. This is 299 yen. Kumuha ko nito. We'll try. Ayan ha. Nanggaling na kami dito kagabi ni Pia. Pero ngayon may isang basket na naman kami. Ng haul. Oo. Pero pinagkasama-sama na lang namin. Ayan ang mga haul namin. Dito sa branch ng Donkey na to, yung tax-free nasa 7th floor. So, akyat muna kami doon para magbayad. Hello! Time check! It's almost midnight na naman. In fairness it's a Monday night. 12 midnight. Pero wala na masyadong tao agad dito kay Dotonburi.
Kasi nga Monday na.
Kasi it's a Monday night siguro. Ayan wala nang tao. Konti na lang. Solong-solo nyo si Glico. Oh, wow! Malinis-linis na siya. Wala na masyadong tao. Here. Sasabihin ko lang. Yung pa ako malapit na siyang gumibap. Hindi na siya sumusunod sa instructions ng utak ko na maglakad siya. Not follow instructions anymore. Ayaw na niya. Gumigive up na siya. Nakailang steps na tayo today?
16,206.
Kaya pala. 16,000. Kaya pala yung pa ako malapit nang huminto mag-isa. Ayaw na maglakad. In fairness naka-on cloud kami pareho just to share. Pero sakit ng paa namin ngayon. Ha?
Iyos to naman na yan. 21 Cafe.
Yeah.
Yes.
21. Pero it's Tony 1. Tony 1. Hello, we're already back home. Time check, it's 12:30. Medyo mas maaga naman kaming nakauwi ngayon kaysa kahapon na 3 a.m. Ay, 4 a.m. Pero, Grabe. Ngayon ko lang talaga naramdaman yung lumpo levels ng pagod dito sa Japan. Tama siguro si Pia, ang dami naming moments na nakatayo lang kami nag-aantay. Especially today. Imagine yung lunch namin, 2 hours kaming nag-antay na nakatayo. Tapos nun, dun sa taxi refund naman sa loft. Ito na yata ang signs of aging. Hello everyone. Just sharing with you some tita tips for traveling. So, bumili kami nito kasi sobrang sakit na nga ng mga binti namin kanina kakalakad.
Ano naman? Ano
This is ikaw, hindi ka masakit. Kami masakit yung binti namin. Masakit yung, ako masakit yung talampakan ko. Siya masakit yung binti niya.
Tapos, yan.
So, bumili kami nito. So, we'll try. This is a sole patch. Tingnan natin if it's gonna work. 3 packets.
So 1 for each foot.
Yeah.
And then you have the adhesives here.
Nakahiwalay.
But these are a pair also. You have 2 adhesives. So open 1 patch.
Oh, it's powdery.
Then
It's powdery.
remove peel off the big piece. And then
Put the patch print side
down
on
onto
the adhesive.
Okay, just center it. Then you stick this onto your foot. The sole of your foot.
Ang laki naman.
The whole sole of the foot.
Sa gitna.
Yeah. Just like in the photo.
So, ganyan. Ayan. So, kahit saan, basta sa gitna.
Nagawa mo na ito dati.
Yeah.
So, gumana naman.
Masarap yung pakiramdam in the morning. Pero, mabibigla ka kasi titigas to eh.
Okay.
So, when
Oh,
you...
there. So, parang may sugat tayo sa paa. Ayan na po. Nakalagay na pareho sa aking feet. So, tingnan po natin pagising namin if we have fresh feet. Ay, pinatayan mo ako ng ilaw.
Maglakad.
Okay, matutulog na po kami. Alas 4 na naman. We have to check out at 10 a.m. So, we have to wake up at 8. Wala na naman kaming tulog. Good night! Good night! Good morning, everyone! This is our last day here in Japan. It's November 26 today. Nakapag-check out na kami sa hotel. So, ayan na. Dala na namin yung mga bagahe namin. Nandito kami sa Nipponbashi Station. We will see if we can get lockers here. Ayan, marami namang susi. So, ibig sabihin ng may susi available. Ito yung mataas for 1,000 yen. Okay. Sige, we'll try also. There. Kasi mamayang gabi pa yung flight namin and it's currently 10 a.m.
This one, baka hindi ka.
Hindi, kasya na yan. Ayan. Pwede na. There. Perfect. So, dapat coins. Oh, paano kung wala tayong coins? Nagubos kami ng coins namin kahapon. Ngayon naman, kailangan pala namin ng coins. So, buti na lang may coin changer dun sa kabilang dulo. Oo. So, nakakuha naman kami ng... Tsaka 100 yen lang yung pwede sa kanya. Ayan. Ilalaglag yung coins dito sa slot bago mo makuha yung susi. Hello, nandito na kami ulit beside big camera kasi balak namin mag-Yukatsu Motomura naman for lunch before kami umuwi ngayon. I just want to show you 10:30 pa lang. Pero si Makino may pila na. Kaya naman pala kami 3 hours na kami nabot ng pila kahapon kasi 12:30 na kami dumating. So may line na din daw pala siya, si Gyukatsu. They open at 11 a.m. Yeah, and it's 10:30 a.m. but there's already a queue. So ang lunchtime pala dito, 10 a.m. Hindi pala 12. Pag 12, late ka na. Pang-anim na si Pia sa pila, 10:30 a.m. Dito sa Gyukatsu Motomura. But this is the smaller branch. There's another branch across the street that's bigger. On the dot, 11 o'clock, open. We're entering na. So, counter tayo. Right here. So, dito nga sa branch na to, counters. More counters lang. It's smaller. Our food is here. There's the rice. There's soup. The sauce. Sides. Salad and the cutlet. Yung kay Mar, ayan, hilaw pa. So, if you want to cook it, you cook it on the hot plate here. At may beef. Namin alam kung para saan to and what this is. So please let us know kung paano kainin itong white na to. Okay, tinanong na namin kung ano itong white na to. It's potato pala that you can mix with your rice. So pwede ring dip sa kanya yung meat and then you eat it with the rice. So para din siyang ano, sausawan. We'll try. Is slimy, pero masarap naman. And then ito sinuntay ko, yung cod roe. You really eat it on its own. But last time we were here, we didn't like it because it was salty. Now it's actually good. Hindi siya malansa. Hindi rin siya salty. There's still that fishy taste, pero it's not bad. Ginudge namin siya agad. Hindi namin siya ginagalaw. Masarap pala siya. How's your Gyukatsu experience?
It's rank 1. It's balik.
Nanalo sa kanya si Gyukatsu sa mga kinainan namin.
Everything on the plate is good.
We're done! So, yeah.
And happy.
What makes it more suited is we didn't have to wait that long. That really made a difference. So, yes. Ngayon, mag-iikot lang kami kasi 8 PM pa yung flight namin. Actually, 7:55. So, we'll see where kung saan kami pwedeng mag-ikot before we go to the airport. Andito na kami sa Takashimaya area sa Osaka. So, ayan na siya. Last time kasi we were here, parang sarado tong gitna. So, pwede kang tumambay sa gitna. May seats, may chairs, and tables. Yeah. So, we're here dun sa gitna nung Namba Station. Iiwan muna namin yung senior friend namin. De, joke lang.
Yung aming introvert underbuyer. This is my idea of
Pare-pareho kaming introvert, pero siya, hindi siya interested sa shopping. Eh kami, magastos. So siya, dito muna siya.
and architecture.
Yeah.
This is my idea.
So kami ni Pia mag-iikot kahit Takashimaya. Tapos na kaming mag-last minute shopping. May nabili pa kami ulit sa GU. Wala na nga kaming space, pero nag-shopping pa rin. Bahala na si Batman. Anyway, pabalik na kami ng Nipponbashi ulit from Namba. And then, we'll get our luggage and go to the airport na. Last day na sakay, nabutan pa kami ng ulan. Although ang forecast talaga today is rain. But we were hoping hindi kami maabutan. Eh, may bibilin pa kami sa Dotonbori. So, manghihiram muna kami ng payong sa hotel. Ayan, balik muna kami. Ano, may payong? Oh, ubos nga. Ubos ang payong. Pati yung payong natin. Daddy, got it. Grabe ha. Lakas ng ulan ha. But we had to walk. Special request. There. Pabalik na kami. At least dito may arcade, may bubong. There, this one. Okay. Going back to our luggage. Fix up pa and go to the airport. What an experience! This trip, lahat na lang ng pwede namin ma-experience na experience namin. Maligaw, maging squatter, maging homeless for a bit, fall in line for 3 hours. But it was a good trip. Nakuha na namin yung luggage namin from the luggage storage. Again, yung sa amin ni Mar, yung pang large luggage is 900 yen. And then yung kay Pia, yung kinuha niya yung 1,000 yen kasi meron pang isang extra bag kami. First time kong gumamit ng coin locker, actually. So now we will walk all the way back to Namba actually kasi we want to take the Airport Express na lang through Namba Station. Doon na lang kami sasakay. Kesa magte-train kami from here ni Pombashi to Tengachaya tapos lilipat pa kami ng Rapid Express. Nandito na kami sa may Takashimaya. So ayan, sabi niya, Nankei Namba Station to the airport is over here. Hello! Nandito na kami sa may Takashimaya. I think it's the 2nd floor. So dito kami nakabili ng rapid tickets. Ayan. Sa commuter pass office. Kinuha na namin yung reserved seats para hindi na kami mamroblema. It's 1,350 yen to Kansai International Airport. Hindi na nga pala kami bumili from Klook kasi oo, yung nangyari sa amin nung papunta, ayaw basahin ng QR code. So para sigurado na kaming hindi kami squatter sa train. Gusto namin meron na kaming sure seats. Konti lang naman yung difference pala. 488 ko siya nakuha sa Klook one way. Tapos ito 1,350 yen. So parang 520 pesos. So parang 40 pesos lang naman pala yung price difference. Tapos pero na-stress kami nung papunta. My goodness. So, pwede na din. Pwede nang dumiretso sa ticket counter. We're here. May upuan kami. We are relaxed and seated. At may space yung bagahe namin. We're already here at the airport. Dumating kami ng 5:20 dito sa pila sa Cebu Pacific and it's 5:30. Medyo mahaba yung pila. So, tingnan natin what time kami matatapos. But, compared to our last trip here in Osaka, December last year, walang tao yung airport ngayon Dati, punong-puno yung airport. So, sana mabilis lang kami makapasok sa loob. Hello! We're on our way back to Manila. We're already here at the airport. So, thank you ladies. It was a wonderful trip. Kahit na ang dami naming adventure. For this trip, day 1 pa lang, may adventure na kami ulit. So anyway, yung total ng trip namin, nagastos namin is 48,200 pesos. So na-meet namin yung original target namin na 50,000 pesos. Akala namin lalampas kami. But surprisingly, mas less pa yung nagastos namin. Airfare namin was 17,800 round trip. Hotel namin was 16,500. And the rest are food, transportation, kasama na dun yung mga 7-Eleven haul namin, yung mga snacks namin, yung bullet train namin, plus our roaming which we got from Globe, yung promo nila na 1,600, good for 30 days na 10 gift. So, you can go to Japan for less than 50,000 pesos for 5 days, 4 nights per person. Busog na busog at enjoy na enjoy. Nakarating pa kaming Kyoto. Nag-team lab pa kami. At nag-bullet train pa kami. Although from Kyoto to Osaka lang. So, thank you for joining us in our Osaka trip. We hope to see you again next time for another Tita's trip. Thank you. See ya. Bye. Hi, Yago.